Hi, welcome back, and today we're going to study copper and silver. There is a quite interesting relationship between copper and silver because the charts are pointing to some hints about what is happening with both metals. I will check the charts with you because I was asked by someone from the United States or India, I think, and they sent me an email to make research about copper and create an article for them. It's a metal website. I cannot say the name, but they are reconverting the website. I apologize for the delay of my latest publications. So let's go to the chart of copper. If we check the chart of copper, the metal, it has been moving sideways between $2, and this is the copper futures and the 1 month chart, 1 monthly charts. You will see that the range of copper was between 2 and 5, a very clear signal. A bit of history now. We have the Lehman Brothers and the crash, and then the economy went back all the way high because the Federal Reserve started the money printing. Copper tried a second test. This chart in copper will give us hints about what is happening from historical point of view with silver. So we have the top of the world economy was around 2011 and 2014, and then we have the crash, and it went all the way down. At the same time, you will see that the price of silver did the same in 2011, and then it has a recovery, but it went down all the way back down. You will see this recovery here on February 2011, and you will see that from the year of 2008 all the way back to 2011, silver created a new high, and it was a fake rally, and it was very important because it was linked that the market believed that there was a lot of short silver positions by Bernsteins, and this rally was a fake rally, was used to crush Bernsteins later. It was later bought by a different bank. So far we have the multiple movements. With the COVID crisis, you have new lows that was in March of 2020, and we have lows here in January and February at the same time for silver around the 11. It was the base here. You will see that after the money printed in 2020, copper had a massive rally, and it tried to recover all the record highs from 2011. If you compare that situation, that the COVID crisis brought a new high and a new test at a record high, that would mean that for silver should recover all the way to the record high, which was around 48. That never happened. 48, 49. That never happened, and silver went all the way only to the 50% retracement level, and then it continued to go back again down. So it seems going forward to now we have a rally and recovery, a pullback to this rally, and it seems clearly that copper is in a long-term bullish trend that started in 2010 with these fake movements or these correction phases. So it's really clear that copper, someone is buying copper, and there is this report and this research that I was asked to write is claiming all the information I have to study points that copper will be fundamental for the revolution, the robot industry, and all the AI technologies, and copper is a very important metal for that industry. So copper is really in a bullish trend. So far we have the looks like a second wave correction, and maybe after we clear this level here, which is around 40 in the copper futures, this is the continuous price, we will see again a new test. It has been said that China actively use copper as a hedge against inflation, or they buy massively copper to help hedge their positions. The situation for silver is much more behind this. It really is not really pushing but following the copper case. It means that once silver removes the 25-28 area, it will try to go all the way back to the record highs. So far, silver is being contained in a very important lower highs trend here. So it has to clearly remove the 26 level here, which is not doing here. But copper is really giving a signal. They bought silver in May, and now in June we started to see that maybe copper is going to end the market to the upside, and silver may follow. What is the most important thing I use on a monthly perspective? I use the gold seasonal charts, and every time we expect a rally, all the various trends ends between July and August to the top, and then we started to see that gold starts to go up because of religion causes, or they have a seasonal purchases are coming here from India, from Europe. Everybody started, all the jewelry industry starts to buy around September. The Diwali festivities in India, and much more. So this is the time when you get bullish in gold prices. That's between August and September from the seasonal charts. These are a lot of years, and this is always the same thing. You have the lows between June and July, and then you have the strong months between August and September. So this gives us a time frame for the potential lows. Going back to silver, we know that in the worst case scenario we have 2 months, and silver could try 20 or 22 as the worst scenario, because you have here in 2023 2 months with the same level, which is the area here of 20.40, and it suffered a big recovery from those levels. So the case for a new low for silver really looks like it's over, and the true level is 20. Last year the level was much more lower. It was around 17, and there was really a serious squeeze around 19, and the people were buying silver very fast. The time for silver to go all the way back to 20 is really very low. It's very limited, and we may have a possibility of silver going back to 22 at the maybe 20, but it really looks like the lows are behind for silver. At the same time, we have the Federal Reserve, and there are some hints that the inflation is being stabilized according to its official numbers around 8% for 3 consecutive months. But you see that the war between Ukraine and Russia is still going on with the destruction of a major Ukrainian dam, and there are hints or opinions that it was a false flag operation by Ukraine. I really don't know. I'm not following all these geopolitical events occurring now, but this gives us a time frame that possibly for the second part of the year, war could escalate and create new tensions in the inflation prices. So maybe this is giving us a pricing in the price of defense stocks. The first 4 or 5 stocks in the defense industry are not giving any bullish signal, or some are giving a signal from June of 2023. But this company, Transdeep Group Incorporated, it has been in a very bullish trend for a long time, and also is breaking from the group. So checking the company is very highly sophisticated products for the defense industry, and maybe if there is a war coming, well, they are going to be this company looks that maybe they are the main suppliers, because the most, it's a very healthy trend here, a very bullish trend with no potential highs so far, no potential top inside for now. If I go back to the industry, you will see, let me go here, I use Finbiz for a quick view, and it's free and you can use it. I go to the overview. Yeah, I'm ordering, checking for World War III risk scenario. You will see that no really crazy bullish case for the top defense companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and all the US Army providers. There is no really crazy scenario, bullish scenario, except Transdeep Group Incorporated with 40 billions in their market cap. But something is happening, that some companies are starting to go up since June. So it really looks like Lockheed Martin started to recover here. These are daily charts. So far this is June by the, so there is no really clear signal. The case for silver is giving us bullish case for the long term by the copper chart. I thank you. I hope you enjoyed this update. Bye bye.